Howdy everyone, we are in the baby's nursery. We have quite a few items in here. This is all going to be removed from the room so that we can make sure where we want to place everything. This is a crib that my son and daughter-in-law decided to purchase themselves. They wanted to make sure they did some purchases of their own, and the mobile that I made for it right there. We did some shopping, and we've got quite a few items that we need to unpack. Here's the pillow that I ended up making that matches that little blanket that I made, and I'll make a link, put a link down below where I made the blanket. A playpen that we also purchased for our grandbaby with the help of our other son, Nathan. The dresser and changing table my son and daughter-in-law also purchased, and some items that I made and purchased. They purchased this artwork. It's really cute. That ends up going into the bathroom. That's going to be for the baby, of course. And my son also purchased this little growth chart, and we purchased the carrier and stroller. As you can see, the walls are very blurry. They're also very plain. These curtains are going to go. They're a little plain, and we're going to put some decor up on the walls and fix up the bedding for the crib. My daughter-in-law has been washing a whole bunch of stuff, so everything's been cleaned. Oh, by the way, this little corner, all this stuff here, that's all going to go. This is just stuff that's not going to be in this room anymore. This corner is being saved for a rocker. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to get all the stuff out of here and hopefully decorate it really nicely. Oh, and these are some of his little items here. And my son also purchased these artwork that's going to go on the wall. So let's get to doing all of that. All right, everyone, let's quietly go in. Here we go. We have cleaned up everything, the windows, everything. We actually went to Walmart and bought new blinds and set those up. Now on this wall, my son wants to set up some sort of a shelf. My daughter-in-law needs some storage here so she can put the baby wipes, Pampers, and all kinds of other things. That growth chart, he still hasn't decided what they want to do with that. So we decided to move the dressing table, the changing table and dresser to this little corner instead, and we set up this little artwork. We thought that looked really cute around it, so that's all nice and secured on the walls. And these nice curtains that were nice blue that matches everything, and a Star Wars sign that my son had and decided to put way up on the top. We thought that looked really nice. These curtains are awesome. These curtains are awesome. I'm sorry. They do black out the room really nice. There's a diaper genie there in the corner that my son Nathan also purchased for them. A nice little basket there. I thought that was so cute. And then this dark side artwork, my son decided he wanted on this side where the crib is because he feels like this is where the baby's going to sleep, and it was nice and dark. He also had this tapestry in his office, and he really wanted it in here. We brought it in. We thought it looked great as a backdrop for the crib. And here we go, a little mobile right on here, and there's some fabric on it. I decided to make a little tubing with some fabric, put it on there, and dress up the mobile to give it some more color so it wouldn't just be a plain white plastic. Right here is that little pillow that I later decided to make that matches the little blanket I made, which I'll put a link down below. And we went to Burlington, purchased a whole bunch of stuff, a bunch of little clothes, and we bought this bedding. We thought it was cute. My daughter-in-law had that little elephant. It's so cute. Now, I was going to make some baby bumpers to put inside the crib, but I got a little nervous about baby bumpers, so we decided to purchase this mesh that goes around the crib. It's a breathable mesh. It's safer than a baby bumper, so that's what we went with. And here is the little blanket that I've made, and I decided to put my little label on it. There we go, created by Tricia Flores. That's me. So this is a little bed. It's in a nice little area here. They put a little lamp in the corner. There's still some things that are probably going to be added to the room. A nice little rug on the floor, a little decorative carpet will be nice on the floor. So this is it, everyone. I hope you like it. Give me a big old thumbs up. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a nice comment down below, and make sure you share on your social medias. And as always, enjoy.